Okay, we're in Roswell. We're at the Old Mill ruins. I think it's called the Old Mill Park, but these are there's some Old Mill ruins on the other side of this building. This building is the 1882 version that was built here. Because of this trace or race of this water flow coming down, this gave sufficient power to turn their turbines, and as we've seen in other sites, it was used to mill various things. In this case, this is a cotton, or fabric milling area, textile. So I'm going to take a look at the building itself. This is a restroom, so this isn't really anything important unless you... Anyway, this was built in the 1880s and served until 1975. This shut down in 1975. You can see some of the... I'm sure these aren't original, but the bricks are definitely original. No, go ahead, man. The ruins themselves, the actual ruins, which I came all the way here to see, are more or less roped off. You can't see them there. Well, I mean, so you can see them, but you can't go up to them. You've got it blocked off here, and for at least two different reasons, maybe three or four. I'm not going to violate it. There's an absolute no trespassing sign right here. So anyway, it's kind of a bummer, but could go down this other side along the river, but I decided not to. Just do it the best we can to see what we can see from up here. I went over to the other side of the river, got some good shots. Federal government, this was built in 1839. The federal government burned this to the ground in 1864, and that's what's left. This was a two-story, 80 by 50 building, and there's nothing there now. There's some of the stone walls and foundation. So it's a very, very, very popular green area. Really exciting area. Photographs. The river itself is incredible. There's a waterfall further up. I'm not going to get to see that today. You see here a really good shot of the 1882. So we'll wrap this up and head on over to another set of ruins.